So, you have decided to make use of our audiovisual support programs for Afrikaans. Yippee! My name is Dot and I am the DTIA bot. I will be your guide. After purchasing your program, you should have received a document with the relevant link. If you did not receive that document or you do not know where to find it, please send an email to info@daniteach.com and we will gladly assist you. Now, let's get started. Once you have access to your program, you will arrive at the landing page that looks similar to something like this if you are on a PC or desktop. If you are using a smart device, your landing page will look something like this. On a desktop or PC, find the navigation tab at the top right-hand corner and click on the drop-down arrow to view the drop-down menu. On your smart device, the drop-down menu will be on the left-hand side of your screen. Here you will find the modules that this level has been divided into. Next to each module, there is an arrow which will show you the content for that module, and by clicking on it, will take you to the requested page. Great! Now that you know how to navigate around the program, it is time for us to look at how to use the content. If you are a teacher, tutor or parent and would like to make use of the weekly work schedule, you can click on the drop-down menu and click on Work Schedule. Here you will find weekly plans with links to the relevant pages. By simply clicking on the blue link, it will take you directly to the page you can start teaching or learning from. If you are the learner or student using the program by yourself, you can either follow the work schedule or simply continue at your own pace on the website itself. Here Bella introduces herself to us and invites us to click on her to continue. For the sake of this video tutorial, we are going to click on the block with the twin vowel ah in it. The first step to get Afrikaans confident is to watch Bella's puppet show. You can watch the puppet show as many times as you want. When you feel ready to move on, follow the tabs below according to the order as indicated. 1. Read. 2. Talk. 3. Worksheet. 4. Spelling and vocabulary. 5. Test. The reader part is there to offer you some independent reading time. There might also be some class or group activities here that if you are doing this on your own, you can ask a friend to work with you. The talk part encourages you to read and speak aloud. To pronounce words and sentences are important for continuous progress. Along the way, you will find friends of Bella encouraging you to learn a rhyme or a sing-along. So, go ahead and click on these links. Next up is spelling. Again, you can simply click play to hear and read along your spelling words. Try to memorize it to test yourself later. The test page is to check whether you can recall the vocabulary learned in the module and if you can remember to spell them as well. You can repeat the module as many times as you like before you move on to the next. Happy learning!